With a continuously variable transmission, this vehicle is well equipped. This Audi features sport suspension, premium package, and performance package. Safety features include traction control, four-wheel ABS, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include Bang & Olufsen sound, Bluetooth wireless, cold weather package, and satellite radio. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.